Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from Binance to bank account in UAE. So in order to do it, you first of all need to launch your Binance mobile application, and once you open it, you will see this type of more option on the home page. So you need to tap on more and then you will be landed on this page where you need to select the P2P option. Now once you select the P2P option, you will be landed in the P2P page where you will have to simply select your currency, and then you need to tap on the sell option over here. Now once you tap on sell, you will see a bunch of different merchants to whom you can basically sell your USDT or any other cryptocurrencies, and in return you can just get the equivalent amount of money in your account, or basically in your bank account. So first of all, we will just change our country to AED, so you need to simply select dirhams and then confirm it. After that, it will show you the merchants, so tap on sell option and it will show you the merchants. So you need to select the merchant that suits you the best, but I would recommend you to go with the best that is recommended by Binance. So tap on the sell option right next to their profile, and after doing so, you will be landed on this page where you need to basically enter the amount of USDT that you want to sell to them, and it will show you equivalent amount that you are going to get. Then select your payment method, and after that tap on the place order option in the bottom. So this way you can withdraw your money from Binance to your bank account in United Arab Emirates. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.